Now we are coming on multiplication of integers. If we have two integers a and b, and in first case we have taken first integer minus a and second integer b. One is with the negative sign, other one is with the positive sign. There simply we have to find out their product, and before product we have to place negative sign. In second case, a is positive integer and b minus b is negative integer. Simply we have to find out their product and will place negative integer. It means that if two integers are there, one with a positive sign and another with a negative sign, we have to place minus before the product. Now in third case, we have two integers and both having negative sign. We have taken two integers which are negative. In this case, we have to find out their product, and before product there will be positive sign. Third case, it's very easy. We have always done that. Two positive integers are multiplied together and we have got their product only, that is a into b. It will be much more clear to you from the example. See here, in first case we have taken two positive integers, that is 4 into 5, and simply we have multiplied it and we are getting 20. Nothing to do here. Now in second case, minus 4 into 5. Two integers are there. One is the negative minus 4 and another one is the positive 5. Here we have to find out their product. 4 5s are 20. As one integer is negative, so we have to place minus sign before the product. In third case, 4 is positive integer and minus 5 is negative integer. Here also, if one is positive, other one is negative, we have to find out their product. Their product is 20. 4 5s are 20. As there is one integer negative, so we have to place here negative sign. Now, if two integers we have taken together and both are having negative sign, minus 4 into minus 5. We will find out their product, that is 4 5s are 20, and before 20 we have to place positive sign. It means if two integers are there having negative sign, we have to multiply them, and before the product we have to place positive sign. There is one note please, and it is very helpful to you. Suppose that if we have taken too many integers and they are getting multiplied and all are having different signs. See here, as I have taken here minus a into minus b into minus c into d into e. Here I have taken 5 integers. What here we have to do is simply we will multiply them, a into b into c into d into e, and we will count number of negative signs here. Minus 1, then here again minus sign. Two negative signs are there. It means 2. 2 is an even number. If number of negative sign is even, then we have to place plus sign before the product. And now see the second case, minus a into minus b into minus c into minus d into e. In this case what we have to do is we will multiply all the integers together, a into b into c into d, and we will simply count number of negative sign. 1, minus a 1, minus b 2, and then here minus d 3. There are 3 negative sign, as 3 is an odd number. So if odd number of negative signs are present there, we have to put negative sign before the product. Simple rule is this, that if number of negative signs are even number, then we have to place positive sign before the product, and if number of negative signs are odd, then we have to place negative sign before the product. It will be more clear to you from the example. See here, this example we have taken 2 into 4 minus 4 into 3 into 1 into minus 5. Simply we have multiplied all the numbers together, 2 into 4 into 3 into minus 5. And see here, as number of negative signs are 2, minus 4 and minus 5, 2, it is even. So its product will be 20, and before 120, its product is 120, and before 120 we will put plus sign. As one negative sign, two negative sign, 2 is an even number, so we have to put plus sign here. Minus into, or simply you can say minus into minus, it is plus. Now see, in this case minus 2 is multiplied by minus 4 into 3 into 1 into minus 5. Now see here, what we have to do is we will multiply all the numbers together, 2 into 4 into 3 into 1 into 5. Now number of negative sign, 1, minus 2, 1, minus 4, 2, then here again minus 5, 3. Number of negative signs in this case are 3, so we have to place negative sign before the product. Simply, I have written it as, if number of negative signs are even, then plus sign before the product we have to put. And if number of negative signs are odd, then we have to put minus sign before the product. Most of you know, then also I've written that even numbers, as all of you know, I know, even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2, or the numbers which just comes in table of 2, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, just like this. This is even number. And it is only a reminder, odd numbers, the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called as odd numbers, such as 1, 3, 5, 6. All these numbers, they don't come in table of 2. Now after this, we are coming on division of integers. See here, if we have two integers a and b, and a is being divided by b, here both are positive, simply it can be written as a divided by b. Example, 2 by 3, simply it can be written as 2 by 3. Then in second case, 1 is negative integer, minus a by b, it is equal to minus a by b. This negative sign we can place in front of this line. And also it will be more clear from this example, minus 2 by 3, it can be written as minus 2 by 3. Here minus 2 is divided by 3. If one integer is negative and divided by another positive integer, we have to place negative sign before the quotient. Now see here, in this case, a is divided by minus b. Again the same case, if one is positive integer, another one is negative integer, we have to place minus sign before the quotient, that is minus a by b. 2 divided by minus 3, we have to place negative sign before the quotient. Now see here, third case, if we are taking two integers and both are negative 1, minus a divided by minus b. In this case, simply you can say that minus signs are cancelled out and it can be written as a by b. It will be much more clear to you from the example, that is minus 2 divided by minus 3. Minus signs are cancelled out and it can be written as 2 by 3. That's all for today. Thank you.